Hello guys, this is Priyanka here. Okay, let's we come to revision part. First, we have discussed accounting, define accounting, classification of accounting. Second one is that explain accounting cycle and accounting equation. Dear students, please remember in short answers, he will ask you directly question like accounting equation or else accounting explain about accounting cycle. Accounting cycle means nothing but the what the all over process from starting to ending of accounts, okay, of accounting is known as a accounting cycle. Here in accounting cycle, the steps, no, the first step accounting cycle, the first step is that identify the transactions. First we have to identify the transactions, whether it is a personal, whether it is a real, whether it is a nominal. So we have to identify the transactions, which kind of account it is. Okay, so identify the transactions, generalizing, as you people already know, we will first follow general entries, we will first do general entries, right? We will enter in general, right? So we will call it as a generalizing. And the second one is posting ledger. Posting ledger, we will prepare the ledger accounts. So the third step is that accounting cycle, posting ledgers. First one is identifying the transactions, second one is generalizing, third one is posting ledger, and fourth one is preparing trial balance. Preparing trial balance, here in preparing trial balance, we will see that debit side, it should be tally, the amount should be tally, debit and credit side, both sides, right? So first we will prepare the trial balance, and after preparing the trial balance, any adjustments is there, the trial balance along with adjustments, we will again prepare this trial balance, adjusting entries, and after that prepare financial statements. Prepare financial statements is nothing but preparing financial statements, like include trading account we will prepare, in final accounts profit and loss account we will prepare, and the last one is the balance sheet. This is the final accounts. So preparing the financial statements, closing entries again completed, entries were closed for a particular accounting period, and after the restarting the accounting cycle, and after restarting means, as you know, identifying transactions again, and generalizing and posting ledger, prepare trial balance, adjusting entries, prepare financial accounting, closing entries, and account. These all are the process in accounting cycle. If you draw the flow chart and with the subtopic, with the side heading, if you mention and write the 3 to 4 lines, is more than enough. You will get the full marks for this accounting cycle. And coming to accounting equation, okay, in accounting equation here, example, generally even those students are clever, they also get confused. What is this accounting equation? Accounting equation is nothing but assets is equal to liabilities plus capital is known as the accounting equation. Please remember that. What is that? Assets is equal to liabilities plus capital, we will consider it as a accounting equation. Here example, assets, we have to find out the assets. Okay, liabilities, what is the liabilities? Let's we see. For example, liabilities is 5,000, and capital, what is the capital? Capital is 45,000. Is that clear? Liabilities plus capital, right? Liabilities plus capital, 5,000 plus 45,000. So what is the assets? Other assets is equal to 50,000. So this is the accounting equation. Accounting equation is nothing but assets is equal to liabilities plus capital. Once again, take screenshot. I'm explaining you, step wise. Please listen and try to note down. Take screenshot. Here, accounting cycle, identifying transactions. The first step. What is this? First step. What is the first step? First step is that identifying transaction, recognizing business transaction. Example, purchase of goods, payment of salary. This all, and generalizing. Generalizing is the Second step, record transactions in the journal or in original entry, original book. Posting ledger. The third process is the posting ledger. Posting in ledger is nothing but transfer all the general entries to ledger accounts. Transfer all general entries to ledger accounts is the posting general. And prepare trial balance. Prepare trial balance. Just now I mentioned that all debits. This is a fourth step. All debits is equal to credits. Right. So this is the trial balance. Adjusting entries. What any outstanding. This is the third step, that all the outstanding expenses, prepaid expenses, I'm mentioning here example outstanding expenses, okay, and prepaid expenses, and also depreciation, etc. These all are what? These all are the adjustments, adjusting entries. And the last one is prepare of a financial statement. This is the sixth step. Prepare of financial statement is nothing but trading account, profit and loss account, financial account is all. And closing account is nothing but closing temporary accounts for the accounting period. Again, the process continues. The process continues for identifying transactions, generalizing, posting ledger, prepare trial balance, adjusting the entries, prepare financial statements. These are very important question. Accounting process, draw a flow chart and side point. Step 1. What is the step 1? Identifying transactions. Mention 3-4 lines of that. Generalizing. Mention the generalizing. In what we will do. Generalizing we will call as original entry also, right? So, and after that, general entries are posted into ledger accounts, posting ledger. So, like this, you frame an answer and write, you will get the full marks. This is accounting cycle and this is accounting equation. Accounting equation is the assets is equal to liabilities plus capital. Assets is equal to liabilities plus capital is the accounting equation. Thank you so much. Let's we discuss our third question. Thank you.